Ellison Kane, the same whirlwind of giggles and wiggles you might remember, was having a very busy day. Not busy with building block castles or splashing in puddles, though he loved those too, but busy with stinkies. Phew, said his mom, Mrs. Kane, holding up a particularly mud-splattered sock. Ellison, my little adventurer, it seems your clothes have been on even more adventures than you have today. Ellison giggled. His favorite blue shirt, the one with the rocket ship, had a big blob of peanut butter. His knee-patched trousers had a suspicious green smear, kale. Grass. A secret monster sneeze. And his little red boots, well, let's just say they smelled like the bottom of a pond after a very enthusiastic jump. Time for washing day, Mrs. Kane announced with a twinkle in her eye. And tonight, we have a very special bedtime story to go along with it, the Great Laundry Race. Ellison's eyes widened. A race? With swimming clothes? Exactly, Mrs. Kane replied, leading into the laundry room. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.